Hey there tubers, Redneck Brian here. This will be the first crank over of the go-kart lawnmower since last year. I don't remember exactly how long it's been, but I have the spark plug disconnected, as you can see right down there. So we're going to turn the motor over, get the oil moving inside the engine. I just changed it without starting it up previously. I also changed the oil in the Honda. So, let's see if the solenoid is going to work. I very much doubt it will. No. Solenoid's dead. It could be a loose connection. I have absolutely no idea why the solenoid's not working. So let's turn over the motor. Quick damage report. The only real damage on this, I got a flat tire, and then the negative to the battery came off. So, using jumper cables to connect the circuit. That's good enough for now. Check the oil. One more thing is, what was I going to say? So yeah, I got a solenoid for this. Hopefully it will start, but I don't think it's going to go anywhere because I believe it needs a belt. So, just gotta grab this bag from going to blow away. Set the camera down, make sure you're still recording. There we go. Grab a rag. Yep, lots of oil. So let's just sit right there. Wants a bit of oil. Most likely because the filter was dry. There we go. Check it. Trying to keep my hands clean as I can. We're good. We are good for oil. Okay, now let's go pull the, make sure the choke is out. I believe it is. Yeah, choke is out. That all the way. Make sure I don't got stuck throttle. Okay, we're good for that. The key is on still. The gas, I put gas in there earlier. It's premium, so it should fire, hopefully. Let's connect the spark plug. I'm going to do a video immediately after this, of this again, and we'll check the compression on it. So let's try it. Give it a break. I do got the jumper pack. It's sitting on the seat of the Honda, if needed. Sounds like it's trying a bit, but remember, this is a Tecumseh, so it's a 13.5 industrial commercial. I'm gonna unhook the kill switch just to make sure that we will fire up. I believe that's the line right there. 1 second here. There. Because if it's trying, and maybe it's something with the electrical system that's just not letting it fire. Let's see what happens. I doubt that was it. So reconnect this line and we'll get some Go Juice. Sorry about that. Let's go grab some Go Juice. I lost my squeezy bottle of gas. It's out here somewhere, or it's in the shop somewhere. So I'm gonna grab some ether right here. Also, I'm gonna grab spark plug tools just in case while I'm here. See if I can quickly see my gas. Nope. That sucks. I found that bottle. It worked perfectly, and now I lost it. So let's just spray some Go Juice in here. See if it's even going to fire. It runs. It's most likely not getting gas, so try to do this. Okay, let's see why it's not going to stay running. Filter has gas. There's this little screw right here to prime this. Let's see. Hand tight. Nope. There we go. Let's release some gas out of the carb. God knows what it looks like. Hasn't been too long, probably about 5 months. Nope, no gas now. No gas, really, unless this is the gas in the bowl. Most likely is. So screw that back in. Hopefully this video doesn't go too long. We're already in 7 minutes. Let's try it again. It just doesn't want to stay going. If you remember with this motor, it's always hard to get started, but once it's running once, it's good. So at least it's still will run. So I will let you know in the next video if it did run. So I'm going to do a compression test. So I'll talk to you guys all later. Keep it redneck, and please subscribe and comment. Bye for now. And please no bad comments on the Tecumseh. I know they suck.